Welcome back. Naka-bronze medal ang Team Philippines sa men's and women's events ng recent 18th ASEAN University Games na ginanap sa Singapore. Tinalo ng men's team and women's team ang Singapore na magkahiwalay na third place match. And for more on their achievement, kasama natin sina Coach Oliver Almadro at players na sina Mark Espejo, Rex Intal, Joanna Maraginot at syempre si Bea De Leon. Guys, thank you so much for coming here to The Score.
Welcome to The Score.
Thank you also. Thank you also for inviting us.
First of all, congratulations on the third place finish. Coach, let me start with you. First time that the men's team joined the ASEAN University Games. Kamusta yung experience? How did it compare sa UAAP?
Well, of course, different experience because as we all know, ang kalaban namin sa ASEAN University Games is national team ng Thailand, Indonesia, selection ng Laos and Singapore. So, yung experience much higher eh. So, yung level ng competition talagang mataas. And it will benefit us and also the valuable program in the Philippines.
Coach, just curious, kasi nakwento mo sa amin backstage na medyo matatanda yung mga nakalaban nyo, mas advanced, mas experience. What was the initial goal for both the men's and the women's team coming into this tournament?
Well, when I was interviewed before the tournament, I told the media na maka-final four kami, it will be good for us na because as we all know sa ibang bansa kasi yung UAE yung parang collegiate tournament nila is until 30 years old and 10 playing years.
Grabe.
So sa Indonesia, sa Singapore and sa Thailand. So talagang we're very young team ang pinadala natin doon kasi basically it's 23 below o 23 below ang dala namin, both men and women. So, medyo malaking disparity but I guess we fared well naman. And we even up at, I guess, lumaban kami ng todo sa mga kalaban namin.
I want to ask si Joanna and si Bea, you also finished third place 2 years ago in Indonesia. Pero this time you started out 0-2, you lost to Indonesia and you lost to Thailand. Ano yung naging mindset nyo going into your third game? How did you guys bounce back?
Well, coming into the third game, that was against Singapore. Definitely, we wanted to bring home something for not just for Ateneo, but obviously now we were bringing the name of the country. So, our mindset then was obviously just to first, of course, what Coach Tay says is to be happy, and with that, it will always naman follow through everything else. And we played really well. Like I said, we just really wanted to bring something home for our country also. So.
Jo, marami nagsasabi na yung laro mo raw very similar to that of Alyssa Valdez at syempre nakasama mo si Ate Ali mo sa ASEAN University Games. Ano naman ang reaction mo sa mga tao nagsasabi na baka ikaw daw yung the next top scorer ng Ateneo Lady Eagles?
Baka lang. Hindi ko naman siya pinapansin kasi parang for me, I look up to Ate Lai. So, feeling ko, for me talaga na parang siya rin yung naging inspiration or motivation ko to play better, to play like her. Kasi parang everyone naman, lahat naman kami as an athlete, may ina-idolize ka. So, parang siya lang yung titingnan mo talaga para para siguro to play good, gano'n.
Tanong ko naman si Mark, our UAP MVP. Mark, yung Thailand was considered one of the dominant teams. But you guys were in it during the match. Actually, there was a crucial part dun sa third set from what I read where you had the chance to win the set for the team. How far do you think yung level of play natin sa Philippines compared to a team like Thailand?
Alam naman yung Thailand, syempre, di ba, sobrang advanced nila experience kaysa sa Philippines kasi yung Thailand parang sobrang daming international games na nila sasalihan and yung Philippines parang ngayon pa lang ulit umangat yung country natin para sa mga volleyball, basketball, sa iba-ibang sports. And siguro, yung Thailand, siguro naman yung Thailand kaya naman siguro bigyan lang yung Philippines ng konting time pa kasi di ba yung Philippines yung mga players, mga bata pa and yung mga Thailand, di ba, matanda na. So, sa tingin ko, sa mga this coming SEA Games and siguro sa mga upcoming games pa na makalabi yung Thailand, siguro more preparation pa siguro yun. Kakayanin na siguro.
Si Rex naman, kilala bilang isa sa mga elite middle blockers dito sa UAAP. Kamusta naman yung experience mo, Rex, playing against your fellow middle blockers from different nations dito sa Asia?
Syempre, it's an honor to be a part of, to represent the country again and to have the experience to go against the mga elite ng ibang bansa na talaga yung one of the best na talaga of their countries. And it was hard, syempre, kasi nasanay ako na matangkad na ako dito sa Philippines. But comparing it to international, nagmukha akong libero doon. There was this one player who was like almost 7-footer na and yun, yung kumbaga sa Philippines, yung mga middle blocker, half block ko lang. Doon kailangan itodo, talon mo talaga. So, nahirapan. So, in a nutshell, marami kaming napulot na mga aral and siguro we'll use this na lang in our coming leagues. So, dadalhin na lang namin yon and thankful din kami sa experience and I hope na all of this will be in the purpose of the advancement ng volleyball program ng Philippines.
Talking about learnings from the AUG, coach, what stands out for you that you can translate? What's something concrete that you can bring to your team, especially in the preparation for the upcoming UAAP season?
First of all, hindi na lang siya ngayon. Before, nung nag-experience ako for the head coach of the under-23 and the SEA Games, it's all about power. But now, nag-evolve. Sabi ko nga sa mga players ko, we have to cope up with change. Sometimes, you have to consider power. But now, may power na, pero mga players sa Thailand and Indonesia, meron na rin konting, what you call that, sneaky attack. Mga parang, mga palihis-lihis na, mga ganyan. So sometimes we don't expect that Kasi, nung nag-evolve nga yung volleyball sa Philippines, sabi na power, labanan natin ng power. Ngayon, iniiba na rin yung style It's all about service and receive, it's all about defense na rin. Before, kailangan atake lang ng atake. So ngayon, nag-evolve talaga yung sport. So bumibilis yung sport ng volleyball. So kailangan talaga tayo, we have to cope up with change. Yun, sinasabi ko sa mga players ko, hindi pwedeng hanggang dito lang. Kailangan every time, lalo na may maganda experience internationally, kailangan may gayahin may pantayan.
At sigurado ako, Coach Oliver, gaya ng sinabi ni Rex kanina, marami kayong napulot na aral na pwede nyong gamitin in your upcoming leagues. And speaking of upcoming leagues, bukas magsisimula na ang Shakey's V-League at syempre ang Spikers Turf. So you guys are competing there. Let's talk a little bit about that. Bea, how excited are you to participate dito sa Shakey's V-League? Ba't kayo natawa bigla? What can we expect from Ateneo? I think you're in Group A, mga kalaban nyo. I think San Sebastian is also in that group.
Yeah. Definitely, we're very excited. Shakey's is a yearly thing we do pre-UAAP, and it's always really exciting. We gauge our level as a team and what we need to work on. And the good thing about Shakey's naman for us definitely is it's not as much pressure. So we really just have fun, us and the team. It's our way also to develop the teamwork and to gel more with each other. What to expect from us? Well, relatively, as I think most of us know, Atelay, Kiwi, and Ate May won't be there. So that's definitely exciting and scary also for us and everyone else. So hopefully we just get to work on whatever else is kulang and eventually, hopefully, we'll be ready for the UAP.
Quickly, I want to ask si Joe, is there mas marami bang pressure ngayon sa inyo ni Bea coming into the next season ng UAP tsaka dito sa Shakey's V-League?
I think wala naman kasi yun nga, bata kami lahat. So, unlike last year na parang may nag-guide talaga sa amin, pero this year parang kami-kami na lang talaga yung mag-guide sa isa't isa. So, feel ko naman walang sobrang pressure.
Kay Mark naman, gusto kita tanungin, Mark, marami ka nang na-achieve bilang volleyball player, MVPs, rookie MVP, back-to-back UAP championships. Ano pa ang gustong makamit ng isang Mark Espejo bago matapos ang kanyang collegiate career? I know you still have 2 more years, but what are you looking forward to pa?
Siyempre, una-una, gusto ko munang graduate sa Ateneo. Di ba? Mahirap yun sa paglalaro. And siguro, habang naglalaro ako, gusto kong kahit walang achievements, basta mag-champion yung team. Kasi yun naman kasi yung pinaka-importante, ano mo yung mga achievements mo kung di naman gold, di ba? So parang inisip mo lang yung sarili mo, hindi yung team. Di ba? So and siguro, ano ba, wala na, basta every year naman, every tournament may bagong dumarating. And siguro, lagi ko na talaga iniisip na, ito lang, joke lang yun parang lagi ko lang iniisip na, joke lang talaga to Inisip ko lagi na parang kaya ko to gawin, na parang yung lahat ng kalaban ko, parang di-treat ko parang mababa sa akin para ma-exceed ko yung, parang inisip ko, parang di ba thinking mo na wala makakapigil sa'yo, parang ganun.
Parang Mamba mentality.
Mamba mentality. Ikaw naman, Rex, this is going to be your last year, if I'm not mistaken, Rex. Anything special on your mind? What mindset are you going into this season with?
Siyempre, personally, last year ko na, and it's my last playing year sa Spikers Turf. So last time ko na-represent yung Ateneo. Unless kunin akong guest player ulit ni Coach. Joke lang.
Nagpaparinig na, Coach.
Joke lang. And syempre all out na kasi ito na yung last chance ko to leave a mark as an Intal kasi wala nang Intal na athlete. And super cherish ko lang every game, every moment. So yun na. Hinihintay ko na yung last game bago mag-mamba out na.
Coach, may gusto ko pa sabihin?
Wala naman.
People you want to thank, Coach? People
Yes.
you want to invite to your games?
Yes, first of all, we'd like to thank the Ateneo community, our athletics office for giving us opportunity to represent the Ateneo and the Philippines sa AUG. And papasalamatan ko rin yung Filipino community sa Singapore because it parang home court namin yung nung nandun kami Singapore. And every team takot sa amin because of the crowd. So thank you sa Singapore Filipino community na nag-support sa amin. And of course, panoorin niyo manood kayo sa Spikers Turf and sa Shakey's V-League. Spikers Turf, supportahan niyo lahat ng team, especially the Ateneo men's volleyball team. Medyo pressure because we're gunning for a back-to-back also. So we hope na pag-pray kami ng lahat ng sumusuport not lang sa Ateneo, sa volleyball itself.
Alright.
So, thank you. And guys, to greet pala yung AC volleyball team namin.
Ayan. Thank you very much, Coach
Guys,
Oliver Almadro.
It's always
Thank
a
you.
pleasure to have you on the floor.
Thank you.
Good luck
Thank you
sa
very much.
Shakey's V-League tsaka Spikers Turf.
For more sports updates, keep watching The Score and don't forget to subscribe.